So hello everyone, my name is PARAG KAMLAKAR and welcome you all in my new video. And in this video I am going to discuss how to determine the cement, concrete, flooring quantities. Okay, now where the mix is given 1:3:6, 1 bag of cement, 3 bag or 3 sacks and 6 volume of the aggregate. Okay, so you can remember that the cement sand aggregate CSA. Okay, so here the base quantity I take it as 100 square meter and the thickness for the flooring is taken as a 0.075 meter, that means 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so with respect to this video, in this video I'm going to calculate the quantities for the cement, concrete, flooring. Okay, with respect to 1:3:6 mix. So now the first what you have to take, just I consider the base quantity as 100 square meter. Whatever the quantity over there, I multiply this quantity. Okay, so first you have to determine for a unit quantity. Okay, so first I wanted to determine for a 100 square meter quantity, how much 100 meters in 100 meters square quantity, how much amount of the quantity of the sand required, quantity of the coarse aggregate required, and then number of cement bag required. Okay, so for that I am going to do all my calculations. So keep watching, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like my video. Okay, so now first of all, first step you have to determine the loose volume. Okay, loose volume. LWC, loose volume for the flooring, which is taken as to be what the total of the mix is to be given to 1 plus 3 plus 6, which is nothing but at 10. Okay, this is what the loose volume you have to first calculate. After that you have to determine the compacted volume. Okay, compacted volume. Okay, you know about the compacted volume. During the compaction, you have to compact that particular volume. So we take it at 2/3 of the tank volume. Okay, 2/3 of the loose volume. That means this volume over there. So we get the value is at 6.67 meter cube. Okay, so what exactly I did this? The loose volume is nothing but the volume which is loose over there. Okay, and the compacted volume, what we compact for the flooring is we are taking the 2/3 of the loose volume. Okay, loose volume is taken and what is the mix over there. Okay, if it is 1:3, 1:4:8, so we have to 1 plus 4 plus 8, which is taken as to be nothing but 30. Okay, so after that we have to take compacted on 2/3 of the 30 value. Okay, so we have to first determine the loose value. Okay, with respect to the mix, and then we have to determine the compacted volume, which is 2/3 of the loose volume calculation. So it is taken as 6.67. Then after that we have to determine the quantity of the cement. Okay, the quantity of the cement is to be determined by very simple method. Okay, what is exactly the thickness you have to take is to be first quantity of the concrete we have to first determine. The quantity of the cement is nothing but the quantity of concrete, okay, divided by the compacted volume. This is the formula. Okay, this is what exactly formula for the determination of the quantity of the cement, where the quantity of the concrete is determined by 0.075 multiplied by 100. Okay, so it is our base quantity. This is what thickness divided by 6.67. Okay, so we get the quantity of the cement as 3.36. Quantity of cement we get 1.12 meter cube. Okay, so we get this value, quantity of the cement. After that, quantity of cement we got. So we are going to determine the number of bags, number of cement bags. So we get in a such a manner like 1.12 divided by 0.035. So we get the calculation is like, we get the number of value is like 32.12. That means 33 amount of bags are required for the 100 meter square quantity of the concrete flooring work. Okay, and after that we are going to define the determine for a quantity of the loose coarse aggregate. Okay, for the loose coarse aggregate the volume of the quantity is and for the sand we are going to determine. So it is in such a way that the 1.12. Okay, 1.12 is coming like the quantity of cement. Like what is the quantity of cement we get? That is in the 7.12 divided by. Okay, we determined 7.5. Okay, which is come by 0.07275 multiplied by 100 divided by 6.67. So we got the value is as a 1.12. With respect to this volume of this number of volume, we have to determine. We already determined the number of cement bag. Now rest of the thing remaining like the number of pores aggregate and sand. Okay, so for the sand calculation, okay, we just calculate 1.12 multiply by 3. 3 is what the sand over there. Okay, so we get the volume is 3.36 meter cube. Okay, and for the pores aggregate, okay, the volume is 1.12 multiply how much? 6. Okay, so we get it as a 6.72 meter cube. 72 meter. Okay, so for the flooring work, the 3.66 meter cube of the sand required, 6.72 meter of the post aggregate required, and the 33 amount of the bags required for the 100 meter square quantity of the flooring, compacted flooring. Okay, so this is all about the flooring, compacted flooring, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like my video, and just visit my website www.civilnotes.com. okay, and in some latest manner I am going to upload some surveying videos too, so keep watching and keep learning, and have a nice day. Bye.